Frank from Lubeck Enterprises here today with something I thought that was quite self-explanatory, but apparently people still have trouble doing it. So this is a smart remote for a Samsung TV. I could do the Fire Stick remote in a minute, but on this one here it's pretty, once again, I thought it was self-explanatory. There's an arrow, but people go, it's not working. Well, you gotta put some force. You gotta actually squeeze and kind of go like that. If you're really having trouble, instead of pushing here with your thumb, you could take your nail, go just here on the corner, on the side of the infrared reader. And once it's popped like that, just comes right on off. Now, if you're just replacing batteries, take them out, just put them back in the same way you took them out. The bump down, the plus down, the plus up on the other end. But something to note is if you're just, if you broke your remote maybe and you buy a brand new one and you put the batteries in for the first time, you're going to have to pair it. So it says right here, pairing, press 3 seconds. So in other words, hold each one of those buttons, this one and this one. Hold them down for 3 seconds. Now if you're like me and you just swap the batteries and you don't have a brand new TV, it's still going to be paired to the old one. Unless you do something to screw it up and unpair it, this here should always be paired to that TV, or your TV I should say. So hopefully that helped clarify something for somebody. And now I'm going to move on to the Fire Stick remote.